Understanding Profile Bio Update in simple terms. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, Profile Bio Update. Whether you're a social media enthusiast or just getting started, this phrase is quite common in the digital world. Let's break it down together, so you can understand and use it confidently. Firstly, let's talk about what a profile is. In the context of social media or any online platform, a profile is like your digital identity card. It's where you share information about yourself, like your name, picture, and perhaps a little about your interests or background. Think of it as a virtual introduction to anyone who might visit your page. Now, let's move on to bio. Bio is short for biography. In social media, your bio is a brief description of yourself. It might include your hobbies, job, personal interests, or even a favorite quote. Your bio is a snapshot of who you are, packaged into a few short sentences. The term update in this context means making changes or adding new information. When you update something, you're keeping it current and relevant. In the digital world, updating is crucial as it reflects the most recent and accurate information about you or your interests. Combining these elements, Profile Bio Update refers to the act of refreshing or changing the information in your bio on your profile. This could be due to a change in your job, a new interest you've developed, or simply wanting to share a different aspect of your personality. It's a way to ensure that anyone looking at your profile gets an up-to-date and accurate sense of who you are. Updating your profile bio can be important for several reasons. It ensures that your friends, followers, or potential employers see the most current version of you. It's also a great way to express changes in your life and reflect your growth and evolution as a person. Thank you for watching. Remember, your profile bio is like your personal brand on social media. Keeping it updated is essential in ensuring that it accurately represents who you are. I hope this video helps you understand what Profile Bio Update means and why it's important. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and happy updating!